In this lecture, we are discuss about internet and web technology. So, outline is that introduction of World Wide Web, introduction to internet, then World Wide Web and internet. Then next is that different components of web. Then next is that hypertext transfer protocol, and we are discuss about HTTP request and response message. First is that introduction to World Wide Web. That means this is www. www stands for World Wide Web, which is also known as web. Is a collection of websites or web pages stored in web server and connected to local computer together with internet. Then World Wide Web is an information sharing model and allows accessing information over the medium of the internet. Then it is also collection of electronic documents that are like together. Then next is web pages may contain text, images, videos and other multimedia components. As well, navigations features consist of hyperlinks. Then World Wide Web was proposed by British scientist Tim Berners-Lee in 1987. Oh, what is internet? So what is internet is that internet is a global network that connected billions of computers across the network and World Wide Web. So this is the internet. The internet is a World Wide Web global system of interconnecting computer networks. Then it uses standard internet protocol suite. This is TCP/IP to connect billions of computer users World Wide Web. Then every computer is internet is identified by unique IP address. Then internet is accessible to every users all over the world. So next is that World Wide Web and internet. Web or internet both are the same things, but the World Wide Web usually called the web for short form. Then it is collection of different websites you can access together. Internet, a website is made up of relate text, image or other resources. Then internet is a global network of billions of computers and other electronics device. With internet, it's possible to access almost any information, communication with anyone, each in world and do more. So this is example for that how to work World Wide Web. So we have some desktop, PCs, laptops, and first one is that client locations and another is request location. So internet are working with PC HTTP request and HTTP response, and internet also connected with server, and server have multiple data. Then different component of web protocols. That means protocol is that collection of rules and regulation, and in web technology we use for sending message and receiving message we use a HTTP protocol. That means protocol is a standard set of rules that allow electronic device to communicate with each other. Then HTTP is used to access resources over the web. Then protocol transfer the data in from the plain text, then hypertext, audio, video, so on. Then it is where the called hypertext. Address www follows the uniform resource scheme to access resources on web called URL. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. That means HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is a protocol used to access the data on World Wide Web. Then the HTTP protocol can be used to transfer the data in the form of plain text, hypertext, audio, video, so on. So this protocol is known as hypertext transfer protocol because of its efficiency that allows us to use in hypertext environment where there are rapid jumps from one document to another document. So that the basic structure of HTTP communication follows that request and response model. So architecture of that HTTP. First is that client, the next is that server. So first clients send a request for server, then server send the response from HTTP to client. Then HTTP request response messages. That means messages are work with request and response. So request is that the request message is sent by the client that consists of a request line, headers and sometimes a body. Then response message is that the response message is sent by the server to the client that consists of status line, then headers and sometimes a body. Thank you.